Welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a Chromecast TV streaming device by Google. It supports all of the YouTube, Hulu, HBO Now, whatever you want to stream from any PC, phones or tablets. It's easy connection. All you need is inside this box. I'll be open it for you now. It's nothing strange. There is not really what to show. It's just simply connection to the streamer and cable. We have that out of the box. And with a user manual, as you can see, is all you need is here, how to set up and how to use. All you need to do is plug in this to the HDMI, and on this one you will plug this connection, which is USB power. You can use, if you have a TV USB out, you can plug in there to power it, or you can use any charger. And there is also the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, I'll just show you how to connect on this monitor. Okay, just plug in here. You got also this button here, which is switch between the iOS and Android. That's what I think. And now we just connect it to HDMI. Plug in HDMI and USB is connected. USB is connected. HDMI is connected, and that's it. Now I change the source to HDMI. Okay, and you will see this picture, one is connected, and all you need to do is so simply. As you can see, this monitor is not really perfect for HDMI full HD signal. For some reason the picture is not nice and clean, but I know that's the reason I also use the VGA port more than HDMI. Okay, setup is so simply. You will need to connect your phone to this SSID, which is Wi-Fi display, which this number you will be find it on your Wi-Fi connection, and use this password for connect. Once you done this and your phone is connected, you will go to this IP and follow the screen to how to set up. You will have a connection on for your internet. That means you need to connect it this Google Chromecast to router, and after that your phone will be over the IP over this one connected to Wi-Fi. Once you connect it, and you want to stream the picture or going to internet as well. It's simply as this, nothing else you will need it. That means it's so simple as this. That means you just go to Wi-Fi and you will find it the one you need, which is, see, Wi-Fi display, and 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 as the password, which is here. You can just click connect. Okay, right, connected no internet, because you need to actually now log in to this IP. Over any internet browser. It means it's 192 2.168.103.1. Okay, and you'll have something like this: the Wi-Fi password, the resolution, and all of the signals here. You can change the resolution for the stream. I'll try do a full HD, how it looks. Yeah, it also works. Okay, 60 frames per second. Yeah. Now it's full HD, the picture is more clear. You can even now reading the small text a little bit. And if I'm going to go to internet, you need to click on internet and find the Wi-Fi spot using for the internet. Write the password and wait for the connection. And that's it. You know, the password for Wi-Fi display is gone because you now connected, and also I'm connected to my SSDI, which is my router, and now should be everything alright. It's connected to the internet and all working. All you need to do now is install any Mirrorcast app, any of this Mirrorcast app you can use. Okay, that's it. Is Google Chromecast is working simply as that. A link you will find it on the description. Hopefully you like it. It's not really perfect review, but it's easy to show how it looks and how to connect. And yeah, hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe, don't forget share, and stay tuned on my next video. Bye.